Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show how to install PyCharm in Windows system. PyCharm is a dedicated Python integrated development environment, that is IDE. It is developed by JetBrains of such a company. It provides very wide range of essential tools for Python developers. It integrates to create a convenient environment for productive Python, web, and data science development. We can install Python supported packages in PyCharm. PyCharm is available in three editions. One is community version, professional version, edu version. Community version, it is free and open source. It is for smart and intelligent Python development, including code assistance, refactorings, visual debugging, and version control integration. We also have paid, that is professional PyCharm edition for professional Python, web and data science development, including code assistance, refactoring, visual debugging, version control integration, remote configurations, deployment, support for popular web frameworks and big data tools. Edu version, this is free and open source for learning programming languages and related technologies with integrated educational tools. PyCharm supporting languages. To start developing in Python with PyCharm, we need to download and install Python. So first thing requirement is we have to download and install Python before installing PyCharm. Python can be downloaded from python.org. Depending on our platform, we can install the convenient Python version. I will support the PyCharm. PyCharm support the following versions of the Python, that is Python 2 version 2.7. It also supports Python 3 ranging from 3.6 up to the latest versions. PyCharm is a cross-platform IDE that works on Windows, Mac OS and Linux. The system requirements, the system must be 64-bit versions of Microsoft Windows 7, 8, 10, 2 GB RAM minimum, 8 GB RAM recommended, 2.5 GB hard disk space, SSB recommended, 1024 by 768 minimum screen resolution, Python 2.7 or Python 3.5 are newer. So we can download PyCharm from this website, https://www.jetbrains.com/pycharm/. First, we have to download and install Python. Python can be downloaded from the website python.org/. This is the home page of the Python, and then we have downloads. Select the Python version suitable for PyCharm. I'm selecting 3.8.5. Click on this download. Here there are so many version files we have. We take executable file installer, Windows 64 executable installer. Click on this and then download this executable installer file, and then follow the installation wizard to install Python into the Windows system. I already installed into my system, so I'm skipping this step. Now go to the browser and then type PyCharm and then enter. So this is www.jetbrains.com/PyCharm. This is the website for downloading PyCharm, jetbrains.com/PyCharm/. Click on download. Here there are two versions. So that is, one is a professional version and then community version. Community version is free and open source. So I'm saying I'm downloading this community version. click onto the community version download. Then by the file is being downloaded. So Python community version executable file is downloaded. Click onto this downloaded file to install PyCharm into Python. So we are allowing this app into the device. Welcome to PyCharm Community Edition setup. And follow next. This destination folder, if you can make it shorter, you can keep as it is. You can create associations here. You can also create desktop shortcut. Then .py, create associate Python files association can be created. Then check it. Then next, install. It is extracting the files. Now the Python Community Edition setup is completed. It has been installed on our computer. Then click on finish here. Go to this recently added files. You can observe Python Community Edition. So Python has been installed successfully into the system. When you open PyCharm, you can see this window. Here we have file, new project. You can create the new project, and then we want to add the dependencies, that is Python associated packages such as data handling packages, NumPy, Matplotlib, etc. Similarly, Python machine learning packages such as TensorFlow, Keras, etc. So let us see how these tools and packages can be installed. Click on File and then Settings. Here we have Python interpreter. Then we can add. You can click on plus button here. Suppose I want to add NumPy. So just write a NumPy in this box. Then click on NumPy this. Then install package. Here there is an install package. NumPy is installing. So package NumPy installed successfully. And similarly, we can add Matplotlib also. Matplotlib, the search box, if you type Matplotlib, this will be selected. Then install package. Click on install package. Package Matplotlib installed successfully. Similarly, we can install SciPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Theno, Keras, OpenCV, etc. I hope this video is useful to you.